Hello, Miss Potts. I received your question. It's about figuring out your GPA. Student scored an A's, received the following grades. An A's worth 4 points, B's worth 3, C's worth 2, and D's worth 1. What is a student's weighted mean, or GPA? It says they had two B's, and they had a B in two credit hour classes. So here's the two B's. Up here it said they're worth 3 points, and they're 2 credit hours, or that'll be their weight. And they scored an A in a 3 credit hour class, and A's worth 4 points and 3 credit hours. They got a D in 1 3 credit hour class, and a C in a 1 4 credit hour class. C's worth 2 points, it's a 4 credit hours. And so now we got to come up with our, we got to find the product of these two, and that'll give us our, this column here. And so if I multiply these, that'd be 6, 6, 12, 3, and 8. What I was doing here is multiplying the value of the grade for a B times the number of credit hours. That gave me the 2 6's, and here's where I get 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 3 is 3, and finally 2 times 4 is 8. We need to find the sum of that column there. The sum of that column is 35. And we need the sum of how many credit hours do they have. And we sum up the credit hours. I guess it looks like I get 14. And the final thing to do is look at this quotient, which takes in the value of the grade here into the credit hours. And so if you take 35 and divide it by 14, the problem says to round to the nearest tenth. That comes out to 2.5. It says round to the nearest tenth. You may want to look at the example. It's very similar to example on page 71, example 7. So you may find that you want to look at on that page in that example, finding a weighted mean. This one's a little bit different, though. I guess in that one, here instead of your grade, you have this value, and you have your weight, then your grade times your weight, and then you want to do that quotient. I guess they call this a weighted mean in this context, GPA. Hope this helps.